Being able to get to the bottom of the Grand Canyon and back to Las Vegas in less than half a day, that's grand. Having the option to walk on the Grand Canyon Skywalk and go rafting on the Colorado too, that's cause for a grand celebration.
On Papillon Helicopter's Las Vegas Grand Celebration Skywalk Helicopter Tour, you'll do what was once considered impossible: fly to the bottom of the Grand Canyon and walk on air over the Grand Canyon. Your adventure begins with pickup at your hotel in a motor coach or van and transports you to the Boulder City Municipal Airport. Then, time to climb aboard.
After settling into your helicopter's comfortable seats, you're up and away over the austere yet dramatic expanse of the Mojave Desert and the colossal Hoover Dam, built back in the roaring 20s. You'll get the ultimate bird's-eye view of not only the dam, but Lake Mead, one of the largest man-made lakes in the world. As lake turns to river, the Grand Wash Cliffs rise up before you as if a mighty hand had punched a hole in the very crust of the earth. Up ahead is the Grand Canyon.
Then the thrill begins as your helicopter begins its descent to the bottom of the Grand Canyon. After gently touching down on Hualapai Indian tribal lands, you'll take a short hike to the banks of the Colorado River, where you'll board a pontoon boat for a leisurely cruise. After about 30 minutes in the canyon, it's time to reboard your helicopter and head back topside, where you'll board a deluxe motor coach and explore Grand Canyon West.
Your first stop, the Grand Canyon Skywalk. Unveiled in March of 2007, the Grand Canyon Skywalk features a glass-bottomed horseshoe jutting 70 feet past the rim of the Grand Canyon. With no struts or support beams visible below the platform, you'll experience the otherworldly sensation of walking on air hundreds of feet above the bottom of the Grand Canyon. At Eagle Point, you can also learn more about the native people of the Southwest by touring replicas of their traditional dwellings or taking part in a native dance or cultural program.
Sit back on board your helicopter for the return flight to Boulder City and return transport to your hotel.
If all this sounds like an amazing experience, it is. And at about 7 hours hotel to hotel, it won't put a big dent in your schedule either. Book your seats today for the ultimate Las Vegas Grand Canyon adventure, the Las Vegas Grand Celebration Skywalk Helicopter Tour. Click on the Book Now button below, and we'll see you in Vegas.